You.
Yeah, what's up, G?
What's going on? Alright, bro.
We're gonna learn Tory Lanes. What a way to wake up. You're Tory Lanes like mad.
Hey, what's going on, internet friends? Hope you guys are doing absolutely sensational.
Yeah.
What how was your nap, my guy? Bro, I didn't nap, I was just in my eyes.
No, we didn't see a pick up lips.
Hey?
We didn't see a pick up lips.
Oh snap, bro, turn around.
Alright, no problem, I really will. Happy New Year. This is actually, chaps, the reason why I'm actually filming this exact segment, man, is because I'm trying to edit these Durban vlogs, and I realize there's not enough footage. So I thought I'd do one of those things where you just say Happy New Year first, you know what I'm saying? Like first video of 2022, what are the goals and shit, you know what I'm saying?
Be great.
Okay. Let's see, what are your goals?
Be great. Oh, so you should have lived like that.
Dog, what's the point of a gated community?
This is shocking, man. I can't even. Man, oh man.
Hangover.
What are your vibes for 2022?
Left, dog.
I'll turn left.
Take a right this year. Don't take a left.
Okay, well that's gonna give me enough footage to fill in to the first half of this vlog, because I do understand that it's phenomenally short and it squeezes 2 days of Durban.
Make life exciting. Make your year exciting. Start now.
Fall in love.
Don't wait for something exciting to happen. Make it happen.
I like that. See, that's actually good consumer advice. I like that. Khotso,
It's
do you have
not
any-
gonna get exciting without you.
Jesus. Khotso, please add something beneficial, please.
Pull out.
Alright.
It's your birthday.
I hear you.
Yes, sir.
What soft touch are these? I feel you.
Alright, give me one more. 0 for 9 means I gave up with myself. I'm about to do that.
Game time.
Take one. Buckets.
Let's check if everything's okay here.
No, you know what it is? The net is throwing me off.
Game time.
Game time.
Game.
You be throwing me off, no wonder.
Sorry.
But it's all good, This is the beef method, bro. You gotta have balance. Right? Eyes. See the look. Look what it is. Elbow at 90 degrees. Follow through. Beef. Telling you. I'm telling you.
Money.
Bro, let me do it again. Game time.
Bro, I said game time. Just need to talk about the game. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot. Yeah. Ew. Ooh.
take your time. Chaps, top of the morning, top of the morning, top of the morning.
Hey bro, you okay?
Hey, not for the vlog. Hey, what's going on, internet friends? Hope you're having an absolutely sensational as always. Day 3 in Durban. It's a lot. No. Oh, thought you were going up. Sorry. We're out here. We're gonna fetch another car because this vehicle, the party wagon, unfortunately needs to be returned. Hey, I'm with my dogs. I think I'm gonna be driving the bus today. We'll see how it all goes. Okay, internet friends, it's taken a little bit, but we've organized the vehicle. There was a lot of logistics that happened in order to get to this point. Don't get it twisted. The logistics in order to get this vehicle were not easy. They were not easy.
Your girl's a fight, but your mom is a dime. And your auntie, her name is Miss Connie. I got one Glock, his name Clyde, the other one named...
I have a Corolla.
Man, come on. Block and go stand for.
We have a Corolla. Bro, these brews are doing... Oh, I don't have my Yeezys on. I was gonna say there's Yeezy gang, but...
What's going on, bro? We're standing next to people.
Hey man, we're doing nuts. I'm so sorry. We're scaring people. Yo! Something's not going right here. But we're getting food. We got a Corolla. We drove most of the day, but none of that matters because now we're getting food. Okay, I did a bad job of documenting this experience. But basically, we got food and went to get fancy chocolate. Was this a bad vlog? 100%. For my friends, hopefully... What the fuck?
I'm not here.
Yo. Will we make up for it? Hopefully. Hopefully somehow.
Day 4.
It's a new day, it's a new dawn, we're out here. Today's the beach day. My guy said he's ready. Look at that fit, man. You guys don't know about my rooms, bro. Stop this. Stop this. Khotso herded us this morning. I'm in a lot of herded pain.
Where's my talent? I think you're abusive. But you can't tell people I'm abusive.
I won't let them know. I'll just imply.
No, I'm not abusive.
Wait, does Holt have a towel?
Yeah.
Is it in your bag, bro?
No, they're supposed to be... We're active. Bruce, we're active? We are active. Just waiting to pay for that there parking. But the sky's a bit grey. The sky's a little bit grey, you know what I'm saying? It's not a...
Yeah, I just came to the sound. I like the sound.
And we can't not come to the beach, you know what I'm saying? Can't not come.
What you say when you gonna let me know if you give a damn about me? 'Cause you got my hands tied in my defense. I always fall for confidence. Your comments look good on me.
Let's do the beach thing.
What's
the beach thing?
Cold, I don't know what we're doing.
It's very cold.
There's no sun.
Bro, this is not a beach day. If we weren't leaving tomorrow, we wouldn't be here.
We have a post.
Hey, how much you want to pay me for this? See how far we go.
Oh, lifeguard is out here. Where you at, bro? Let's see how far we do. Oh, look. I'm showing it.
did it. Beach content. I'm pretty sure that'll be like what, a few seconds of this vlog. But Khotso provided for us. My guy went into the water. Thank you, Khotso. Onwards and upwards, I guess. This last day is keeping us busy. Now we're off to the mall. Trying to get
Let's go to the mall.
to the mall.
Robin Shabatsky was in her bag with that bag on, bro.
Yo. Like, we all just need to be a little bit nicer and kinder to each other, including ourselves. Waking up every morning is a blessing, guys. Like, you know, if you have your loved ones around you,